Chapter 3: Proofreading and Editing on the Computer. While the types of errors are found in an on-screen copy are the same as the hard copy errors, there is a major difference between hard copy proofreading and on-screen editing. On the hard copy, you mark the errors with the proofreading marks. On screen, you correct them directly on the computer. On-screen proofreading. Use a spelling checker first. It can catch some mistakes, but remember, spell check does not catch all errors, spell check does not recognize homophones, and spell check does not read for context. Use Grammar Checker to check for grammar, sentence structure, punctuation, and spelling. It is a good idea to use a spelling checker before you use a grammar checker. On-screen proofreading. Cursor movement check. Move the cursor down one line at a time. When it is at the bottom of the screen, continue to bring up new lines one at a time. Having no words below makes it easier to proofread. On-screen proofreading. Print preview. By using print preview, you check formatting, spacing, and margins. You can also see if your copy fits on one page. This helps save time and paper. Information processing tools. Spreadsheet. Spreadsheet programs processes the information through a variety of calculations, and additional data is generally generated in other columns and rows. Database. The database format is a way to store basic information such as names, addresses, and telephone numbers. Information is entered into fields which form a separate record for each person or company. It is of utmost importance to make sure the original information is exactly what is key. Voice recognition software. When using voice recognition software, spoken words transfer into written text. The software must learn each person's voice pattern. First programs will ask you to speak a sample list of words or sentences into a microphone. The accuracy rate is 95% or higher. Communicating online. Emailing, texting, instant messaging, and social networking are all increasingly popular. These are informal. Grammar and spelling are still important. These are not private, especially when emailing at work. People have been fired for what they have posted online. Rules for good communication continued. Do not attach large files to emails without receiving permission from the recipient. When forwarding messages, key your comments at the top. Do not overuse acronyms such as BTW, IMHO, or ROFL, which means, by the way, in my humble opinion, and roll on the floor laughing. Do not use email for highly sensitive or confidential information. Don't respond to an email that's upset you when you're still angry. Confused and misused words. Accept is to agree or to receive. Accept means but or other than. Please accept my congratulations. Please receive my congratulations. Everyone except Amanda arrived on time. That means everyone but Amanda arrived on time. Advice. Recommendation. Advise is to give advice or to inform. My advice is not to text and drive, but I advise you to double check your numbers. Already and already. Already is two words, means completely ready. Already is one word, means before now. Your order is all ready to go, means it's complete. You have already received the shipment, means it's already done.